Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Lovers. Before going to today's video, there is a small announcement. We are maintaining a Discord channel. So if anyone interested to join with us and learn such interesting things, you can join. I will give the Discord invitation link in the description. If anyone interested, they can join. So today our topic is about UDP scan using Nmap. So in previous video I did about TCP SYNSCAN, but now I am doing UDP scan. Before going to today's video, I am going to show the differences between UDP and TCP protocols. So let's get started. So observe these screenshots very carefully. I am going to explain in an pictorial way. So this is how the TCP will communicate. So basically TCP will do three-way handshaking with the client. So after doing that three-way handshaking, the connection between client and server will be established. See here, the connection, let us assume this is the client side and this is the server side. So when the three-way handshaking mechanism done is processed, then our client and server will exchange the communication like this in a one way, like a bus going from this side to this side and coming from this side to this side, vice versa. So this is a bit slow and it is connected to the client and server. But whereas in UDP protocol it doesn't having any handshaking protocols or anything else. So let's go to that. So this is how the UDP protocol works like. So it works like a slingshot. It doesn't perform any handshaking mechanisms. So it directly gives data. It directly throws the data to a separate port on which it is mentioned. So a packet is thrown in the slingshot and it will go like this, and some of the packets may fall into the river. So there will be a data loss in UDP protocol, but whereas in TCP protocol there is a reliable data transmission, hence there is no data loss in TCP protocol. So UDP is faster than TCP is faster than TCP is slower than UDP. UDP is faster than TCP. So because it's sending the packet one by one, hence it will be slow. But whereas TDP will send the packets in a slingshot procedure, hence the TCP UDP protocol will be faster than TCP protocol. So, enough with the theoretical part. Let's see about the UDP scan. Let's open Wireshark to monitor the traffic in our network. So I'm going to check my Windows machine IP address. Okay, .4 is my Windows machine IP address, and I'm going to check my Linux machine's IP address. This was my Linux machine's IP address. So let's check if any ports are opened on Kali Linux or not. So I am adding filters to this, and I want to monitor only UDP traffic. Restarting the Wireshark. Here -S capital U is the flag to check whether the UDP ports are opened or not. So the network traffic is coming. You can see the internet package. It takes a bit time. So here you can see that there is no handshaking mechanism gone. So you can see that there is no handshaking mechanism will be performed while connecting to UDP protocol. and UDP is too fast, and it is used in some of the famous streaming services like Amazon Prime and Netflix, whereas TCP protocol is used for FTP servers like file transfer protocols, which is used to safely and encrypt and in file transferring in an encrypted way. So here is the port opened on our Kali Linux machine. 68 is a port number. General information is the ports will be in the range of 0 to 65,535 ports. So this is an additional information I am giving. And another thing, I am going to check about my Windows machine. Is it vulnerable? I think it doesn't open any ports on UDP. Let's see whether any port on UDP protocol is opened or not. See, here we can see that the traffic is going so fast. As I am scanning the traffic from another machine, it's checking the whole ports up to 0 to 6535. So the port is open. 137 is the number, the port is open. So this is how we perform a UDP scan using Nmap. If you like the content, please like and subscribe and share to your friends. Have a great day.